Hello guys, my name is Burak and I am Master Instructor and Divemaster Coordinator at Buddha Dive Center. Today, our Divemaster candidates are starting their PADI Skill Circuit training. In the Skill Circuit, PADI professional candidates receive rigorous training to really understand 24 skills, learn the performance requirements, find the correct underwater position, and demonstrate each skill sharply, slowly, and accurately. Training begins with a solid understanding of the instructor manual. Candidates learn how to use the instructor manual, locate the performance requirements for each skill in the manual, and deliver skill briefings based on performance requirements. Subsequently, the Divemaster Coordinator demonstrates each skill underwater to the candidates, showing them how to perform the skill slowly, with exaggerated and in the sharpest manner. This training ensures that PADI Divemaster candidates in the future can accurately and effectively demonstrate skills in the training of entry-level divers.